Hey, I'm Randy Jones with Incredible Tiny Homes, and this video is to feature our financing. We do have in-house financing. This is something that is just monumentous for our company and what we're offering. It is not offering financing for every one of our models, but it is for our Credit Cottage. And yep, I said it, the Credit Cottage and the Box. If you want more details, please go to our website. How it works really, starting in our basic Box at $25,000 is $5,000 down. $500 a month. Those are minimum payments. You can put more down if you like, or you can put more of a payment if you'd like, all right? It's kind of a layaway financing system, because if you put your $5,000 down today, you will start your $500 a month payment immediately, and then you will get your home in 6 months, minimum, right? So 6 to 12 months, you get your home. It is not the best because you're going to put your money down, you're going to drive off with your house. This is to help people that just have the $5,000, and you can adjust that in your payments of $500 a month. So if you would like, and this will fit your budget, we're willing to take that chance with you, as saying, hey, we're going to build you this house and you're going to be able to finance the rest. Okay. Now, if you want to finance a cottage and you want to finance maybe a 20-foot Box that is $30,000, the deposit's a little bit more, and we'll adjust that and show you on our website. Just verbally letting you guys know kind of what goes on. If you do a $30,000 Box, which is our 20-foot Box with our new panels, you're looking at $7,000 down. Same minimum payment, $500 a month. If you want to do an Cottage, which is an attic cottage, because that's $29,900. An attic cottage hasn't got a kitchen or bathroom. It's just a whole shell, but all the wiring and plumbing and everything's in it if you want to remodel it yourself. Now, it does have interior walls. That will be $29,900, same as the $7,000 down. And I take that back. You'll have the 1-bedroom interior wall. And if you want to put the bathroom in there, that's something we don't put that in, because if you're going to ever put a shower, you'll never get your shower inside. If you do the Credit Cottage, like the Box, there's no wood trim in the outside. Inside, it's finished just like the Box. This is called the Credit Cottage for $34,900. The deposit will be $12,000 down. And as you can see, as the price goes up, so does the deposit. And then if you wanted the $49,900 in Credit Cottage, it is Mac Daddied out, got everything you want, mini splits, upper cabinets, bathroom, wood trim, flower boxes, shutters, everything, and all this information is on our website. Then the down payment, and that's a little heavy, is $25,000. But the payments are still at $500 a month. Now, I know this is not a financing across the board that's going to help everybody. This is just in some people in these situations. And I've thought about this, and I've talked to a lot of people in the years that we've been in business. So you got a $50,000 house. We're going to finance half of that. So if you put $25,000 down, but a lot of people, if they've sold a home or they've sold a vehicle, they've come into some little bit of money. You don't have $50,000 to buy it, but you do maybe have 20 or 25, and your budget will allow you to spend $500 a month to pay for this. This financing plan will help you. All right. And so I wish that we could say, hey, $2,500 down and $250 a month will make it. Right now, we just don't have the pockets to do that. Maybe in the future we will, but right now I think this is something I'm proud of, that we can offer this for you guys. So from $5,000 to $25,000, and it's $500 a month all the time. Now you can always go with more money, and we may be able to adjust it if they, hey, I can afford a more monthly payment, but I can't afford that much of a down payment. We may be able to adjust that also. So it's just a matter of us working together and getting to the end product of what we want to do. This usually spans out about 46 to 48 months of financing. All right. So if this is something that interests you, go to our website, go to sales@incredibletinyhomes.com, give us an email, let us know what you think. If it's something we can help you with, please let us know. And you can also finance an Box or an Cottage. Okay. Those are the smaller, they're smaller, but they don't have the kitchen and bathroom involved in them. All right, I'm super excited. I hope you guys are too. Go to these, look at this. This is something you guys can get in. If you've been waiting to get into a tiny home, this is the way you can do it if you don't have the money to buy the whole thing. All right, everybody. I'm Randy Jones with Incredible Tiny Homes. And I'm sticking with it, sticking to it. What do we got to do, Alyssa? Alyssa's holding the phone. Give us a call, everybody.